Welcome to Figma Fundamental series. Today we'll be talking about components.
Talk about components. This is a very good feature in Figma, reused across design files and makes changes very quickly possible. Let me show you how you can create a component. I will first create a rectangle here and add some text to it. Let's name this one primary. You can change these features from the property panel. I'll change this to a different color here and also change the text color to a white and add some round button. Now we can create a component by just selecting this whole structure and right clicking and then do a create component. Once you do that, you can see this sign here which shows that this is a component, and under this component I have the text and the rectangle. This is how you create a component. Now if you want to create an instance from the component, which is just an occurrence similar to this component, let's do a Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. That will create a new instance. I will create a few more instances. Now that we have few more instances, let's see how we can use these components. So the cool thing about a component is that if you want to make changes on large scale, if you change the color of the component, it will change all the instances created from this component, which is very useful for web design or other design files. But you can also change only one instance, which will not influence or impact the master component or any other instances. So if you need to override some of the properties from the main component, you can always do that. Overrides allow users to make variations on the original component. If by accident you delete this component, it's very easy to restore a component. Go back to your instance, and from the properties panel you can see you can have an option to restore the component, which will bring back your primary button, the component that you initially created. On this screen I have created 4 different variations: normal, pressed, focused and disabled, for 2 primary and secondary buttons, where these 2 are the only master components and these are just the instances. Now it's also very easy to do an instance swapping. What is that? For example, if you see this button here says this is a part of the secondary, right? But for example, I need to change this to a different format. We have a primary, so let's choose this one, and we can see that it changes to a primary button. This is how we can swap any buttons to another instance.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.